Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, a warm welcome to you. Now today we are going to talk about dandruff. Yes, some of us tend to get those. What happens is when the scalp gets very dry, or when you don't shampoo your hair enough, and sometimes when you're wearing like hair braid, and nowadays when you're doing your protective style, like you're braiding your hair and you're wearing your wig on the top of it, therefore you're not getting enough hair circulating through the hair, it can cause dandruff. It can also be stemming from dry scalp. Dry scalp happen also when you don't hydrate the scalp enough. And you know what happens when you have dandruff? You tend to scratch your hair a lot. The other day I was watching this little video someone post where this lady was walking and just scratching her hair, and then she just back up her wig. All of that is because of dry scalp and dandruff. So how do you control this? There are many, what variety of shampoos out there that is geared towards getting rid of dandruff. You can use those in your hair, and some of them is really good. You're going to get amazing results. But you can also try some home remedies, and today I'm going to share one such home remedy with you. This is a remedy that you're going to use on your scalp. Okay, you're going to just squeeze the remedy on the scalp, work up your hair like this, put a plastic wrap over it or a steam cap, walk around with it for about an hour, and then you're going to go wash your hair like you normally do. It is a good remedy because it's not only going to control dry scalp, but it's also going to get rid of the dandruff, and it also have some hair growth properties. So really a double benefits for your hair. So now my first ingredient is apple cider vinegar, and apple cider vinegar is made from fermented apple juice. Apple cider vinegar is said to help relieve dandruff symptoms by rebalancing the scalp natural pH level. People also think that it helps to prevent the growth of fungi that contribute to dry, itchy skin. Apple cider vinegar, when mixed with these ingredients, will help to get rid of your dandruff really quick. So I suggest that you shake the apple cider vinegar first, and then we're going to use 2 tablespoons of the apple cider vinegar. Pour this in, and that's about 2 tablespoons. Now my second ingredient is rose water, and we're using the rose water because it's very hydrating to the skin. We're mixing it with the apple cider vinegar so that the apple cider vinegar is not too harsh on the scalp. So we're going to use the same amount, 2 tablespoons of the rose water. Pour this in with the apple cider vinegar, and now we're going to mix the two together. Now that we have our apple cider vinegar and rose water combined, we're going to reach for our next ingredient. Now my next ingredient is aloe vera gel. For this recipe, you can choose to use the store-bought aloe vera gel, or you can choose to use the fresh aloe vera gel. Personally, for me, the fresh aloe vera gel is good. Just extract it and get the gel, blend the gel, and add it to this mixture. Now for the store-bought, all you need to do is just to pour about 3 tablespoons of the aloe vera gel. Pour this in the mix. So right now we have aloe vera gel, apple cider vinegar, and rose water. When it comes on to the rose water, if you do not have sensitive skin or sensitive scalp, you can choose to omit the rose water. I like to use the rose water in it because it's really cooling on the skin. So now let's mix all 3 ingredients together and mix well. The aloe vera is very thick. Now once this is done, we have one final ingredient to this, and here I have some baking soda. Baking soda mixed with these 3 ingredients is going to help to get rid of your flaky scalp, dandruff. So we are going to pour about a tablespoon of the baking soda. Pour this in the mixture, and you're going to get this reaction. That is okay. So you're going to mix well and totally dissolve the baking soda in your mixture. Now once this is done, your dandruff remedy is ready for your scalp. So what I would suggest that you do with this You're gonna get a small bottle, preferably a spray bottle or a bottle with a open mouth like this, a small mouth. And then you're gonna fill your bottle up with the solution. And this is for one application. So if you want to make more, double up on the ingredient. Now you need to use this only once per week, and to use this you are just going to open this and use it to saturate your scalp. So pour it on your scalp, take your hand and massage your scalp, and then you're going to cover your hair with a steam cap, and you're going to let this sit in your hair for at least an hour or so. Once this is done, you're going to go ahead and shampoo your hair as usual. Now use this sap within 7 days, and when it is done, make a new batch. Once per week is best for fast result. Another thing that you can do, you can also choose to mix this with your shampoo and shampoo your hair when you are short on time. Go ahead, give it a try, and you're on your way to getting your hair free from dandruff and dry scalp. And that is it. That is how easy it is to control the dandruff. So now go ahead and use it in your hair once per week. That's all you need, just once a week. And this remedy is for one application. So use it in your hair, and before you know it, you're on your way to dandruff free and also clean scalp and also new hair growth. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share. Your comments are always welcome. And if this was your first time watching and you have not yet subscribed to the channel, don't leave without doing so. To do so, look below. You're going to see the word subscribe. Click on it and you will be subscribed. We also have a live show on this channel every Thursday at noon. We have, weekdays with Khichibeauty, where we discuss a wide variety of topics. So tune into our live show and see what's all about every Thursday at noon Eastern Standard Time. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video.